Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your TikTok posts visibility, how to change which post is publicly or privately available. Very easy, very simple. Let's click on the TikTok app. Then I want you to click on the lower right side, click on your profile. Then I want you to click on the top right corner on the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at the settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called Activity Center. Okay. Here, the last option will be Manage Post Visibility. When you click on it, you will see all your content and you will see which content is available for everyone. As you can see, the first one is available for everyone. The second option is which posts are available for friends only. And the third option is which posts are available only for me. Well, why this matters, how you can actually fix it. Well, for example, let's say I want to change the visibility of this post over here. Then you want to click next. And this is how I can actually change the visibility of the post. I can make this post from publicly available for everyone to be available only for friends, meaning followers that I follow back. People that just follow me and I'm not following them back are not considered friends. You got that? And I can also change the visibility from public to only me. And this is how you change the visibility on the post. If you guys want to do an ultimate checkout, well, then you have to check all the videos that we want to change, right? And then you have to repeat the process. Unfortunately, they don't have this option where you can actually select all of them. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.